Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to upgrade your photography gear in 2025, you're in the right spot. Today we're counting down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras you should check out before buying. Whether you're a vlogger, a traveler, or a serious shutterbug, these cameras will level up your photos and videos. And yes, links to every camera we mention are waiting for you in the description. Stick around until the end, because our number 1 pick is a dream machine that blends pro-level power with everyday ease. Let's jump in. Starting at number 5 is the Canon EOS R100 kit. This little dynamo is perfect if you are just starting your mirrorless journey. Built around a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, it delivers crisp, vibrant images with rich color and impressive low-light performance. Whether you're documenting everyday moments, creating travel vlogs, or exploring creative photography for the first time, the R100 provides the power and flexibility to bring your vision to life. This camera is part of Canon's innovative RF lens system, ensuring superior optical quality and lightning-fast communication between lens and body. The included RF S18-45mm ISSTM lens covers a versatile wide-to-standard zoom range, ideal for landscapes, portraits, and street photography. Its built-in image stabilization reduces camera shake for sharper handheld shots and smooth, steady videos, even when you're on a move. Video creators will love the 4K UHD recording capability, which captures scenes with striking clarity and cinematic depth. The R100 also records full HD at high frame rates for fluid slow-motion playback, giving you creative control over your storytelling. Despite its advanced features, the Canon EOS R100 is remarkably lightweight and compact, making it easy to slip into a bag and take anywhere. The intuitive interface and user-friendly controls help beginners get great results straight away, while more experienced photographers can dig deeper into manual settings to fine-tune every shot. With fast dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, your subjects stay sharp and in focus even when they're in motion. Built-in wireless connectivity means you can quickly share your photos and videos or control the camera remotely from smartphone. From spontaneous snapshots to polished professional content, the Canon EOS R100 kit is a perfect blend of portability, performance, and creative freedom, ready to turn everyday moments into unforgettable images and cinematic stories. At number 4, we have the Canon EOS R7. Think of this as the bridge between enthusiast and pro. With its powerful 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, this hybrid camera delivers professional quality stills packed with detail, vibrant colors, and low-light performance that inspires confidence in any shooting condition. Whether you're tracking fast-paced sports, capturing wildlife in motion, or producing cinematic vlogs, the R7 gives you the edge. Equipped with Canon's renowned dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2, the EOS R7 ensures lightning-fast subject tracking with eye, face, and animal detection. Moving subjects remain tack-sharp, making it an ideal choice for sports, action, and wildlife photography. Paired with rapid, continuous shooting, up to 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter or an impressive 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter, you'll never miss that decisive moment. For video creators and vloggers, the EOS R7 offers 4K video recording at up to 60p, oversampled from 7K for breathtaking clarity and detail. Add in full HD recording at up to 120p for smooth slow-motion footage, and you have a camera ready for professional-level video projects. With Canon Log 3 support, you'll enjoy greater flexibility in post-production, ensuring your content looks polished and cinematic. Compact yet durable, the EOS R7 features a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, perfect for creators on the move. Its comfortable grip, intuitive controls, and vari-angle touchscreen make it easy to compose shots from virtually any angle. Built-in stabilization, when paired with RF lenses, helps reduce camera shake, delivering crisp handheld photos and steady video recording. Seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allows instant sharing and remote camera control through the Canon Camera Connect app, streamlining your workflow. The Canon EOS R7 is more than just a camera. It's a high-performance creative tool built to keep up with your vision. Whether you're an action photographer, wildlife enthusiast, or content creator, this mirrorless powerhouse is ready to capture every moment with precision and artistry. Our third spot goes to the legendary Sony a7 III. Often called the all-rounder, it offers a full-frame sensor that thrives in low light, stunning 4K video, and unbeatable battery life. Built with a 24.2-megapixel back-illuminated full-frame CMOS sensor, it delivers breathtaking image quality with wide dynamic range, rich color tones, and exceptional low-light performance. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, weddings, or fast-paced action, the a7 III provides the clarity and detail you need to bring your vision to life. At the heart of this camera is Sony's advanced Bion's X image processor, ensuring fast performance and precise results. The impressive 693-point phase detection autofocus system covers 93% of the frame, locking onto subjects with remarkable accuracy. With reliable IAF tracking, even moving subjects remain sharp, making it ideal for both still photography and video. Speed is another standout feature. The a7 III shoots at up to 10 frames per second with continuous autofocus and auto exposure, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment. The generous buffer capacity means you can capture long bursts of RAW or JPEG images without interruption. For video creators, the Sony a7 III shines with 4K HDR recording, oversampled from 6K for enhanced sharpness and depth. It also offers S-Log3 and hybrid log gamma HLG profiles, giving professionals the flexibility to grade footage with cinematic precision. Paired with its 5-axis in-body image stabilization, handheld shots and videos remain smooth and steady, even in challenging conditions. The design is sleek and ergonomic, featuring a 3-inch tilting LCD touchscreen and a durable magnesium alloy body that's dust and moisture-resistant. Dual SD card slots, long battery life, and extensive lens compatibility through Sony's E-mount system make it a reliable partner for serious creators. Compact, robust, and endlessly capable, the Sony a7 III remains a favorite among photographers and filmmakers alike. It's not just a camera. It's a creative powerhouse that adapts to any shooting style with excellence and reliability. Runner-up is the powerhouse Canon EOS R5. We're talking 45-megapixel stills and 8K video that will make your jaw drop. Featuring a 45-megapixel CMOS sensor paired with Canon's cutting-edge Digic X image processor, it produces images with stunning detail, vibrant color reproduction, and remarkable dynamic range. From commercial photography to fine art, the EOS R5 ensures every shot meets the highest standards of quality. What truly sets the EOS R5 apart is its groundbreaking 8K video recording capability. Filmmakers can capture cinematic footage with unmatched sharpness and flexibility, while 4K, recording up to 120 frames per second, allows for silky smooth, slow-motion playback. With Canon Log and HDR PQ support, the camera offers advanced color grading options, making it a powerhouse for professional video production. For photographers capturing action, the EOS R5 delivers impressive speed with up to 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter or a blazing 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This makes it perfect for wildlife, sports, and fast-paced events where every fraction of a second counts. The advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system ensures lightning-fast autofocus across nearly the entire frame, with precise eye, face, and animal detection. Whether your subject is moving unpredictably or standing still, the EOS R5 keeps it locked in focus with incredible accuracy. Built for professionals on the go, the camera body features a rugged magnesium alloy construction with weather sealing, offering durability even in challenging environments. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization works seamlessly with RF lenses to deliver up to 8 stops of shake correction, ensuring crisp handheld shots and smooth video footage. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, seamless file transfer, and remote camera control via the Canon Camera Connect app, the EOS R5 integrates easily into modern workflows. And finally, our champion, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. This camera strikes the perfect balance of speed, image quality, and price. At its core lies a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, delivering sharp, vibrant photos with excellent dynamic range and impressive low-light performance. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action, cinematic video, or everyday moments, the R6 Mark II is designed to keep up with your vision. For photographers, this camera excels with its high-speed continuous shooting of up to 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter, and an incredible 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. Combined with Canon's advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, it offers lightning-fast autofocus and reliable subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. Every detail stays crisp, even in the most unpredictable conditions. When it comes to video, the R6 Mark II is a true hybrid tool. It records oversampled 4K video at up to 60p for breathtaking sharpness and cinematic quality, and Full HD at up to 180p for smooth slow-motion effects. With Canon Log 3 and HDR PQ support, filmmakers get greater flexibility in post-production, unlocking professional-grade color grading and dynamic range. The built-in 5-axis in-body image stabilization works seamlessly with RF lenses to deliver up to 8 stops of correction, ensuring blur-free handheld photos and steady video footage. Its vari-angle LCD touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from creative angles, while the ergonomic grip and durable weather seal body make it dependable in demanding environments. Seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity let you transfer files quickly, stream content, or control the camera remotely through the Canon Camera Connect app, making it perfect for modern workflows. Blending speed, precision, and creativity, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a versatile full-frame camera designed for both passionate photographers and content creators who need reliable performance in every situation. And there you have it, the 5 mirrorless cameras stealing the spotlight in 2025. All purchase links are in the description so you can explore them in detail. If you enjoyed this countdown, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gear guides and photography tips. Capture your world, tell your story, and let your creativity shine.